Best way to solve this question. We are asked to solve for the value of x and root of x, root x, root x equals to 6. To solve this question, we first have to square both sides to get rid of this square root. Are you following? So we have root of x multiplied by root of x multiplied by root of x. This is equals to 6. Let us square both sides. I'm going to have this, will eliminate this. So we are left with x root of x multiplied by root of x equals to 6 raised to the power of 2. The next step is that we are still going to square both sides. Are you following? The reason why we have to square both sides again is because we want to eliminate this square root as well. So I'm going to have this. Now this will eliminate this, but this will also affect, it will be affected by this squared. Are you getting it? This square here is affecting everything inside the bracket. So this will become x squared. This will eliminate this, multiply by x, root of x equals to 6 raised to the power of 4. Are you following? Okay, x times x, that is x raised to the power of 3, root of x equals to 6 raised to the power of 4. We are still going to square both sides because we are still having the square root here. So squaring both sides, we are going to have this x raised to the power of 3 will be affected by this square as well. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of 6 multiplied by x is equals to 6 raised to the power of 8, because the product of 4 and 2 will give me 8. Are you following? When you get to this point, x raised to the power of 6 times x, what will it give you? That is x raised to the power of 7. So we're going to have x raised to the power of 7 equals to 6 raised to the power of 8. Since our goal is to find the value of x, we have to take the 7th root of both sides. So I'm going to multiply this by 1 over 7 and this by 1 over 7, right? So this will eliminate this. We're left with x equals to 6 raised to the power of 8 over 7. Now, do not forget that 8 can be written as 7 plus 1. Is that not it? So I'm going to have x equals to 6 raised to the power of 7 plus 1 over 7, right? Now, splitting this, we're going to have x equals to 6 raised to the power of 7 over 7 plus 1 over 7. So x will be equals to 6 multiplied by the 7th root of 6. Do you understand? That is the final answer. If you are wondering how I obtained this answer, see, when you get to this point, you're going to have 6 raised to the power of 7 over 7. That is 6 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by, plus 1 over 7, which can be written as 6 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 1 over 7. And 6 raised to the power of 1 is 6. And 6 raised to the power of 7 and 1 over 7 is 7th root of 6. That is how I obtained this answer, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more, okay? See you in the next class.